Hey guys, this is Jake with DashSkin. I actually just wanted to show you a couple key points on our particular dash cover we carry for a year of 88 to 94 Chevy or GMC pickup trucks. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, as you can see on this demo dash, you can see a speaker grill on this corner. A lot of times on your OEM dashboards similar to this one, your grills are going to be broke out. If they are by chance, you can a lot of times find them in junkyards or find an aftermarket replacement online and go ahead and purchase those, install them, and then paint them with our aerosol paint color match that we carry. Kind of moving on now to the defrost grill here in the front. A lot of times the grill itself, either the fins or the entire grill, is completely missing and or broken. And one big benefit of our dash cover is it actually slides right on in there and looks as close to OE as you can get. Alright guys, as you can see, I have one of our dash covers in hand here. You can see the defrost louver in the middle there. I'm actually going to just do a quick test fit on the dash here. Alright, and just to point out a couple notes on our dash cover, we do have all factory color matches. The color is going to be as close as you can get due to normal wear and tear and age. It might be a slightly darker or slightly lighter. And one great solution, guys, is our color matched aerosol paint, which you can take and spray on these areas where you can see the discoloration, this faded top, and then you can also paint it right over top on your speaker grills as well on the driver and passenger side to make everything clean, cohesive, and matching again. So it is guaranteed for life through us to not warp or crack or anything along those lines. If you did happen to get an either aftermarket replacement dash or even just one from the factory you were able to find, unfortunately it is a new old stock, which means it's the same exact material that they used in the original dash, which in this case is going to end up over time. It may not be right away, but over time that dash is also going to crack. You're going to be spending a ton of money. So the most cost-effective option is going to be a DashSkin dash cover in this particular case, so you don't have to worry about anything happening moving forward. Thanks so much for watching our video, guys. For best pricing, check out DashSkin.com.